Alright guys, so on this video I'm going to be showing you guys my really cool little thermal printer. So if you want more information about this printer at the end of the video, I'll have a description down below and a link. And well, this is an IDPRT printer. So it's China made. I got this thing off of Amazon. It's got a thermal printing head. So everything you need, printer paper for this, or thermal paper. Since this uses heat to do its printing, it doesn't actually need any ink or anything like that. This is a 4x6 model. These are 4x6 shipping labels. They're sticky on one side, and I want to show you guys what you can do with something like this when it comes to like using it for like a layout. Because it's sticky on one side, you can print templates on this. So really cool thing about this, you just align your paper in there. You don't have to put the whole roll. You could just do a couple sheets depending what you're gonna do, and you get it more or less straight as possible as you can, and then you close the lid and it'll auto align itself. Alright, so I'm using Adobe Illustrator here, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to load my files. So I created this, and Fusion 360, you can use whatever CAD program you want. Make sure you save it as a DXF file. So I'm going to go ahead and I've already opened it, but I'm going to go ahead and print it. So I'm going to go here. Everything should be set up, but I'm just going to go ahead and put 4x6 because that's what my sheets are. My printer's listed already. So I just had a little brain fart. I forgot to click the ignore artboards. So if you're doing this out of Adobe Illustrator, you're gonna have to align it and make sure you have your printing view area to make sure that it comes out on your printer. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit ignore artboards, and what that'll do is it'll bring my image and it'll just print the printable layer or image, so, or DXF file I should say. So I'm just gonna hit the visible layers, and what I'm gonna do is hit print, and let's see what comes out, guys. There we go. So after checking that my part fits, everything aligns together, I'm going to go ahead, trim all these out, and then I will be pasting them on metal. Alright, so I finally drilled all my holes, I've traced everything, and now I'm ready to plasma cut this. Alright guys, so I finally finished my parts here. So all I got to do now is throw these in the tumbler and clean them up before I actually weld them to my table. So that thermal printer was pretty cool. I did get the adhesive paper. It's for the shipping labels, but you can get them without, and there's also paper without, or I mean with color, different colors, so you can make your own labels. So it doesn't really have to be a thermal printer just for, well, shipping labels. It could be for a whole bunch of other uses. So another one would be maybe to print your own little labels to put on your tools or on your toolbox. So I really like it. So there it is with the wheels on, plates all mounted up or welded up. Now all I got to do is stick the CNC machine on the track. I still got to build some mounts for the track, but that part is done. What's really cool about this table, it's really heavy, but it moves with ease, even on rough concrete. I'll also have a link in the description down below where you can get these casters. They're all steel. Pretty cool little casters. I think I'll just go ahead and leave it there, guys. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.